Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds AirPods Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And at the bottom, we have the line Audio Device Type. Tap at that line. Then you need to select Headphones by also tap at the Headphones line here. And now, as you can see, this device uses Headphones device type, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!